Hello, good afternoon. I'm Mary Yesenia Salinas Escobar. I think that if I had the opportunity to have a job, my preference would be working as a lawyer because I like to help other people and solve conflicts. I also like to see the satisfaction and joy of an innocent or accused person. Another reason is because I like the look and being in a trial or court of law. I feel that the most important job I do is as an occupational health and safety engineer at a foundation where I share with many adults and the vets. I share with many children and I chose to study my professional in environmental engineering at UNAD. Thanks. Bye bye.